was Sojiro. So we're now at the train station to make our way to the hanbok palace, where we're gonna wear hanbok and all the Korean tradition. So pretty. So we'll be renting this. And I really want this design. It's baby. They all look so pretty. What the heck? Which one? I'm in the dress. Ooh. I feel like I'm in historical educator a lot. I'm not gonna ask her to style my hair. My hair right now is not giving. It's raining, what the heck? No. It's the wrong timing. We're here. Ah! I'm drenched. So it's not 11:44 and we have to return this at 1:20. Is it hot in here? Yes, it is, because I'm wearing 2 layers inside. What? My bangs are gone. My legs are all foggy. The rain is getting heavier. How do we get back? The vibe here is nice with all the raining, but we don't look nice. That's the thing. My precious shoes! This reminds me so much of Demon Slayer. Ah! Okay, we're crossing the street. A random guy just gave us this umbrella. Uncle Sarah, very kind. So we're now making our way to Busan Tip. Not Busan, that's at Seoul. And it's drizzly. So it's kind of hot. Ah! To get there. We're now at Namdong for lunch. My bibimbap is here. A. Yeah. Because I'm all drenched and I just have to change into something. I don't want to be smelling bad while walking down the street. I don't want to feel uncomfortable. So we're heading to Myeongdong Street. Korean Army. Look at how much they have. Detergent. god, I love how they take idol inspiration. So here's what I got. I got composition book, this album to store my portable strip, and also the sticker from my little brother. And it's Pokuyo because I'm obsessed with it. 가방 있어요? 응? 가방. Bro, they don't have honey. I want honey. I'm just gonna get this whole puff. got 홍반장. I'm not really a fan of red velvet. It's our last day to dance in Myeongdong, so we're gonna try to spend as much as we could. Pala. Okay, good. What? I don't understand. So we're going out again because it's our last day here at Yeonnam-dong. Tomorrow we're going to Incheon, so we're gonna spend our money as much as possible, or like just spend our time here. It's so alive tonight. So we both are having a bad hair day. It rains all day, comes stiff, and just it's not it. Isn't that the brush zone? It is. Wait, 처음에. Our face is good. Wait. Bro, that is so cute. Why are they so expensive? Some kind of ting-tingan. Hey, that is so cute. We got the goods! It's literally a happy land. Here, our first tanghulu. Taste says, we already tried his. Mmm! Wait, 왜 웃어줘? 왜 웃어줘? 배터리 버리기도 뭐해? So if you feel like you've seen this shirt, yeah, this is actually one of Taewon's performance stage, and she wears this top.
Apa karakter punya anak?
Oh my god, look at the line. We're running out of time, so we just couldn't visit the pop-up store. Too bad. So we're not at home, guys. Gross proportion. How can I possibly demolish all this? Big bite. And I happen to once ate here. We got chicken wrap. Look at them. Chicken sandwich. Oh, there's tomato. I thought chili sauce. So we're now free without luggage. Mind you, my hair looks like shit because how windy it is today. So we're now at Hongdae. There's a lot of things. We have a lot of Y2K clothing. We're so into it. I live for these. They even have 2 floors. Got the goods. We've been in the store for an hour. Imagine that. And this is the outcome. I got 2 pieces. We're so late. It's right out. They even got outdoor spender here. Now they have milk tea. Now that I realized that I never go on a date without going to Daiso. Like, it's always nearby, even at this hotel. They even sell PJs. I'm buying this stuff, my stuff I got here at home. Meals here are so cheap. Hey. Oh. I'm searching for romance. Found it. Literally one of my bucket lists. They don't have the Sanrio lip product. I'm adding this to my bucket list. 제거하지 마세요. Yay. Gracias.